Okay, what's up, YouTube? It's AI one more time, about to give you another video. Remember to leave a like, share, and subscribe. So I got this one for you guys. This is very, very exciting. I want to talk to you guys about this platform that I've been checking out for a while, but never really got the chance to really use it. I finally started using it, and it is pretty amazing. Now, the name of this platform is Lindy, and the link to this one will be in the description. And essentially, what Lindy's are, they are AI agents that you can code to pretty much do anything. They can interact with different services. You can have agents that work for Lindy's. You can have Lindy's talk to other Lindy's. You can have agents within the workflow of Lindy's. It's really, really cool. So essentially, as you can see, this is a workflow right here. And it's an email negotiation workflow. And I didn't even know that this was possible until I started using Lindy. So essentially what this is, as you can see right here, this triggers when you get an email. So if you get an email from Google, you can set that up right here. If you click on here, you can change the email. You got to connect your Google account. And once you get an email, what will happen is that you can check whether or not this is an inquiry. So you can check if the email is requesting price, service offerings, product offering, quote, package options, rates, or is a collaboration or brand partnership inquiry. So if that's the case, it will check your knowledge base and determine what data it should use to respond. So if a response is found from your knowledge base, so we'll just go through your knowledge base and check if a response is found for the inquiry, then it will go ahead and start a conversation. So this is my prompt right here. Your job is to communicate with the email sender and respond to their question until a decision is made regarding the partnership opportunity. Your first task is to identify which social media account they want to collaborate with or promote on. Once identified, use the content in the knowledge base to answer the questions only based on the selected social media account. Answer concisely, never more than 5 sentences. And I go further here and I give it an example and things like that. So as you can see, it will just start a conversation. And this is a conversation that will go on until a certain goal is met. So if essentially if the price is agreed to, then you exit the conversation. And what will happen is based on sort of the flow of the conversation, the LLM that is connected to will determine if this partnership requires some kind of negotiation, the person is not interested, or you close the deal. Now, once you close the deal, you can essentially do what you want to do here. I'm sending an invoice, so I'm taking a PayPal access token as well as I'm using the create invoice endpoint to send the invoice. Once that invoice is sent, I then send a message to confirm the partnership, as you can see right here. And not only that, it will also contain the link. It will contain the link of the invoice so that the person could pay it. And essentially, if someone were to message this email, they would get an email response right away that would determine whether or not this is some kind of promotion or some kind of partnership inquiry or some kind of business deal collaboration inquiry. And this is great if you're running like social media accounts. I know a lot of people run social media accounts and people message them for business opportunities and things like that. So you can set up a Lindy to kind of handle all of this for you, and you barely have to do anything. And I could even go further with this, where I can pretty much take the creative that they send. So whatever promotional material or creative branding material that they send for advertisement or promotion, I can take that material and go ahead and talk to another Lindy. I could create another Lindy that handles uploading stuff to Instagram or TikTok or whatever social media account that is being requested. I could go ahead, speak to that Lindy with this Lindy, and I could have that Lindy handle sort of the uploading of that content to social media, as well as the promotion, captions, credits, links, whatever. So this is really cool. This is really cool. And as you can see, I have 3 different Lindys right here. I have a Lakers news content creator right here. And what this is that it will just search up news online, and then it will use the Creatify API. So as you can see, I'm doing a whole bunch of API calls right here. So we'll just search up news about the Lakers, use a Creatify API to make a video. You do an AI edit to the video. Then once that's done, you go ahead and send that to Make. So I got a Make workflow right here. So this is a webhook for a Make workflow. I then post this payload to Make. Make goes ahead, uploads the video to YouTube, and then it sends some information back on the details of the video, like the video ID, as well as the URL to the video, and some other information, which I can then use to send a message to the chat, as well as send out an email to my business email to pretty much let me know what went on, if the upload was successful, the URL, stuff like that. So it's just really cool. And all of this is automated. I don't have to do anything. And I can just run a YouTube channel. This is literally an automated workflow of a YouTube channel from start to finish. Really, really cool. And if you guys want more information on how to do this, just let me know in the comments down below. I can do a more in-depth tutorial, just giving you a breakdown of how to put this stuff together. But I might even start up a course on Make. I might start up a school. I might start up free for initial subscribers. Then it may be some kind of paid course, but we'll see what happens. But let me know what you guys think about this platform. The link is in the description to this one. Have you guys tried this out? Have you guys tried out Lindy? Have you heard about Lindy before? It's a pretty useful platform, I would say. Very, very cool features here. So let me know what you guys think. Have a great day. Pacey AI signing out. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out more videos like this in the future, but have a great day. Pacey AI signing out. Peace.